Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I don't currently have the problem here. These things stay in here pretty good on this one here. We have a brand new house. But do you ever try to plug something into the wall and then it just doesn't stay in, it falls out because it's loose? Well, that's what this is for here. So this is called the volport, and it comes with a bunch of little the stickers here. Where are they? Here, it comes with these little stickers. I'll show you what they are. And they are the 3M VHB, so these are going to be ridiculously sticky. So when you put it on, it should stay on pretty good, but it could probably come off because it's plastic, so it'll still come off with one of those. But the way it comes with everything you need here, let's see, it comes with the alcohol prep pad, so you would go and clean your surface really well, and then you would stick the little sticky stuff on like this, right, onto there, and then you stick the other side. When you plug it in, it'll stay and it'll keep that sticky bond between there, and it'll keep it plugged in all the time. And so I've used the same 3M VHB sticker stuff for things on my RV and camper and things like that, and this stuff is great. It stays on really good. If you need to get it off, you can use like Goo Gone or something like that, but it won't come off in anything normal. So this stuff's super strong, and this is kind of what the box looks like here, and you can kind of see how it works there. And what's good about it too is sometimes you have like a heavy charger or something like that, one of those, I don't even have anything here, but one of those charging nuggets is just so heavy because it's got a lot of stuff going on it. So this will even help hold that into place too. And it'll just might even be good for just anything where it's high traffic area where people are walking by and they might knock into it. You just stick one of these on here and it'll stay in place. We actually have a couple of areas here where we have some little like Wi-Fi extenders and stuff, and sometimes they just, people knock them out or whatever, and we don't want the cleaning people to take it out when they do vacuuming and stuff like that. So these would be great for that because it'll just kind of hold it on there and then they'll know not to take it off. So these are really good. They're kind of handy and useful, and you get a whole bunch of them in here. I don't even know how many in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It looks like there's 6 of them in here. And then you got all the alcohol wipe pads and everything too. And what is this here? Basically, I don't know why we got three sets of directions. How funny. But here's the directions. I'll show you what they look like. If you need it, you can probably pause and zoom in. Basically, it just says clean the area, peel it and put it on, and you're good to go. So very cool. And then here's some more of the instruction stuff here. So actually that one's the instructions for these stickers you can use. So you can use more stickers, but this one here is for the regular one here. So that's what I was looking at right now. So very neat. So I'm gonna say this is awesome. Get the volport stickers here for your outlets, and thumbs up from me. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon.